Well, good morning, everyone. Today is going to be probably a weird video. I'm probably not going to catch anything, but I got two lakes in mind. The first one is Lake Hope. It's out by Zaleski, southeastern Ohio. And yeah, so the two poles that I brought is my Shimano SLX with a spinnerbait, and then an oldie but a goodie, the Abu Garcia Black Max with the swim bait on it. Now here's the thing, I didn't bring any tackle. I didn't bring anything except for these two poles and my fishing license. So we'll see how it's going to go. I doubt there's going to be much fishing today. Forecasted a whole bunch of rain and thunderstorms and who knows what else. So we'll see how it goes, but I plan on hitting this lake and then going over to Dow Lake on the other side of Athens and see what's going on over there. But yeah, you can't really see anything now, but on the way here there was nothing but dark clouds in the sky, and definitely gonna rain. I just don't know how much, so we'll see. Really need to replace this line. Don't even remember what it is. I think it's Berkeley, I don't know, 15-pound braided. But it's pretty old. It's probably a year and a half old. I don't know what that was, probably seaweed or stick or something. There's a gun range not too far from here. Sounds like a lot of people are having fun. Haven't really been out like I want to, or normally would this time of year. But it's just been rainy, it's been cold. Yeah, here it is, May 1st, I believe. Yeah, May 1st, and caught a pretty good fish so far, but I should have been fishing a lot more. And I hope I have a trash bag in the truck, because there's just trash everywhere. So I'm gonna see if I can find a trash bag and clean up a little before I go. It annoys me to find a good fishing spot just to find a bunch of trash every time I come. New trash, old trash. When my daughter comes with me fishing, we spend, I don't know, probably an hour sometimes just picking up trash. I just wish people would care a little bit more. They come down here, sit, fish for hours. They love nature. They love being out in the woods. But they leave trash. I think we're gonna move a little bit farther down. Seems to be more fish activity down there. I don't know what they are. Probably just bluegill. Alright, found one bag. One little grocery bag. Need to put, sorry. Need to put actual trash bags in the truck. See, I apologize in advance. Every time I bend down, it might go out of frame or something. That was well worth the $4 or whatever. Alright, well, looks like one more maybe. Ooh. Oh, one over there. Yeah, fishing video turned into a trash collecting video. But I don't believe I'm going to catch anything. So at least I feel good about this. And keeping parks clean for future generations is important to me. My daughter, she's 6. She loves being out in. Alright, so we moved. And I don't know if this is going to be any better, but we'll see. I've never fished at this peak before. Like I said, I haven't fished much out here, but just never have any luck on the boat, on a kayak, bank fishing. I've heard some people pull some monster catfish out of here. Pretty cool little dock. And a croc. I don't think I can get to that. I hate these transitions. Alright. Well, the only thing we've had a nibble on is swim bait. So let's see what we got. Other than a lot of wind. Well, I'm en route to Dow Lake from Lake Hope. Ran a quick random errand, and yeah, it started raining. And Forecast doesn't look too good for fishing in the next hour or so, but I'm gonna go ahead and continue out and see what happens. I mean, it's on the other side of Athens, and you know, maybe there's a little bit of window there that I can get some fishing in. Like I said, I'm not really thinking that I'm gonna get a bite or fish or whatever just because of the conditions, but if I were to get the kayak out, I could probably get into better locations. But yeah, so we will see. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a shot. They're letting the water back in. I don't know if I said this in the last video, but I was at Dell Lake in the last video where they were draining it. It's like a foot deep right now. Ooh. Apparently more trash collecting. This is flaky. I see some stuff jumping, but hitting the top anyways. I doubt it's anything but a carp. There's a lot of carp in this lake. Carp, turtles, bluegills. But I haven't seen anything out here since they started draining it. So we'll see. Like I said, it's only ooh, almost caught a tree that time. All right. No fish, but I picked up a bunch of trash at the other lake, Fox Lake, or not Fox Lake, Lake Hope. And then I'm gonna pick up trash on the way back here as well at Dow Lake. So it wasn't a complete bust. I mean, fishing wise it was, but I would take casting and picking up trash over not being out here any day of the week. So yeah, I hope everyone enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe if you're interested. Hopefully here soon, when summer actually arrives, have a lot more kayak fishing and just fishing in general. You usually try and go at least every weekend. So yeah, everybody have a wonderful day or night whenever you're watching this. Talk to you guys later.